What's up traders, it's your boy Snipe is back again. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to this channel and if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel right now and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video like this, you instantly get notified. Okay, so today I want to be sharing you 90% secret winning strategy that I found that works perfectly on synthetic index and all volatility markets. You can also try this on currency markets also, you understand, but it works perfectly on fixed market or any volatility market. It works perfectly on it. And let me show you this secret strategy. This is it right here. You can see this pattern right here. This is a double bottom pattern right here. You can see the first bottom and the second touch of the bottom right here. So how do you trade the double bottom? There are two ways to trade the double bottom, you understand. You either take your entry from the beginning of from the second bottom. That is where you take your entry from the leg of the second bottom, which is the second part of the double bottom. That is where you take your entry from. So once this part is formed, which is the first leg, you wait for the second leg to be formed. That is where you get your aggressive entry for, you understand. But you need to make sure that this pattern, you are sure that a double bottom is trying to form in this place before you decide to take. You cannot just go into your chart and begin to look for a levels like this and you think it's going to be a double bottom, you understand. But if you can find this kind of pattern on any of your market, like if the market is trendy bullish, if you can get a double bottom, if you can see a double bottom on a uptrend market, it's a very good one for you, you understand. You can take that trade because definitely it's going to the double bottom, since it's found on an uptrend, it's going to definitely respect it because it's going to align with the trend, you understand. So if you're also looking at downtrend and you want to take a double top pattern, is very nice also because the double top pattern aligns with the trend, you understand. It will give it that strength to definitely form that pattern for you and align with the trend also. So now, like, back to what I was saying here. You can see the pattern. This is how you get your first aggressive entry from the second leg of the double bottom. Then when you want to get your second entry, this one sometimes it do happen, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes the market will break without a retest and it begin to go. Often the market do like that, you understand. So but most times you get the retest, you understand. Like here now, you see once the market break out from this place, the market came back and did the retest and eventually went to our target. This is our target. You see, if you sell from here, you see you not be making much money than someone that sells someone that buys from here. Rather, you understand. If you buy from here and your target is here and I buy from this place, I'll be making much more money than you that buys from this place. But why did I buy from here? Because I knew that a double bottom was surely going to form in this place because of what I was seeing price doing, you understand. So this pattern is a secret pattern that we make you catch those sniper entries in the market, you understand. And the second one that we have here is the rising wedge, you understand. The rising wedge, this pattern I got it from here. You can see where we got the first one. This is the first pattern right here. You can see where we got the double bottom pattern right here, the first leg and the second leg. This is it, you can see it right here. So this is the rising wedge. You can see this rising wedge also. This pattern will be looking at it here also. This is it right here. This is the pattern I'm talking about, the rising wedge. You can see how the pattern was formed from it gets tighter and then it broke out. So this pattern is the number 2 90% secret strategy that I'm sharing to you. This pattern always they often work in the market because the market tends to respect their formation, the structure they present in the market. And like I said, if you can find all this pattern on a very good trend condition, you make good money from it. You understand? Yeah, you can see this pattern immediately. The pattern range and it gets tighter and it broke out of the trend. You can see the candlestick that broke out from the trend, and there was this strong rejection candle, this strong bearish rejection candle right here, which is also called a pin bar. So immediately I see this candle close below like this, I will immediately take myself from here, from the close. Then my SL will be around here. You understand? So in this case now we have up to like two targets, because I'm seeing more than one support right here. So I'll just mark my target of this sell. If I'm going to take this sell. Yeah, once I just take my sell, and you can see the market is still selling. It's going to sell to target T. This is target T right here. So this is a secret 90% winning strategy. You understand? This strategy, if you apply it to your trading method, you definitely see more wins and less losses. You understand? But also make sure you apply risk management. You understand? I'm not giving you the strategy and tell you should go and over risk your account. You should apply risk management to every strategy you're trading with. You understand? That's because even the best strategy without risk management, you would not survive the market. You understand? So you want to do this thing for a very long time. You know, this is Christmas period, and we do all these things, like we're doing it for like fun, to like make steady cash. And we also want to do this for a very long time. You understand? Not just for a few years, but for lifetime. You understand? Till the last day. You understand? To leave this earth. So we're doing it for it's not a sprint, it's a marathon. So you don't have to go all in on a single trade. You just have to keep compounding your profits as you taking it little by little. You understand? Where you get to maximize more of your wins is when you find out that you've accumulated a lot of money from the market, and you really make a whole lot of money, and you can now go in with a good risk, and you definitely see that from those big money you've accumulated, you know that yes, if from your weekly and from your monthly withdrawal, you know that you're making a good money for yourself. You understand? So this pattern is I showed you two patterns. I showed you the double bottom, and I showed you the rising wedge. You understand? This pattern works very perfectly on volatility index. You can see how the market got to the first target here, and to the second one, now heading to the third one right here. You understand? So make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Share this video, like this video, comment on this video what you think about the strategy, and what kind of strategy are you using to trade derive. Let us know in the comment section, and see you in the next one. Peace out.